In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all photos the same length in CapCut. Whether you're working on a slideshow, a music video, or any other project that requires your images to stay consistent in duration, this tutorial will show you how to set the default photo length quickly and easily. CapCut is a powerful video editing tool, and by mastering this feature, you'll save time and keep your timeline neat and organized. If you're new to CapCut, you'll find a link in the description to download the app and get started. Now, let's dive right into it. First, open CapCut on your device. Once the app is up and running, look towards the top bar of the screen for the menu option. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down list with various options. From this list, select the one labeled Settings. This is where we'll be configuring the default image duration. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice several different tabs at the top or along the side, depending on your version of the app. Navigate to the one called the Edit tab. This is where you'll find all the customization options related to editing, including the one we're focusing on today. Now, in the Edit tab, look for the option that says Image Duration. It should be easy to spot with its clear label. Once you've found it, click on the Image Duration field here. You can type in your desired length in seconds. For example, if you want each photo to stay on screen for 3 seconds, simply enter the number 3. This step is important because it sets the default length for all photos you import into your project going forward, saving you from having to adjust each one manually later. If you need even more precise control, you can adjust the duration by frames instead of seconds. This is particularly useful for projects where timing is critical. Like syncing images to the beat of a song, just keep in mind that this option might only be necessary for very specific cases. So for most users, sticking with seconds will work just fine. Once you've entered your desired duration, make sure to click Save. This step ensures that CapCut remembers your changes and applies them automatically to all the photos you add to your timeline in future projects. Without saving, the app will revert to its default settings, and you'll have to repeat the process. Now that your settings are configured, it's time to test things out. Import your photos into your CapCut project as you normally would. Once they're added to the timeline, take a moment to verify that each photo is automatically set to the new duration you specified. If everything looks good, you're all set and ready to start editing with consistent image lengths. And that's how you make all photos the same length in CapCut. By setting a default duration, you can streamline your workflow and keep your projects looking polished and professional. If you have any questions about this process or want to share how you use CapCut in your projects, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.